Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create a clean professional infographic in just a minute using Nano Banan Pro, completely free inside the Gemini app. I think just 3 times per day, so don't worry about this. If you don't know about Nano Banana is a visual design model inside Gemini app. You can generate layout-based graphics like posters, images, or infographics like what we will do today. You describe what you want and it automatically builds a structured design with icons, layout, titles, and the color balance. So let's create a real infographic together. Firstly, I wanted to mention the secret point here, which is the prompt. You have to care about the prompt because if you have a professional prompt, so you can create a professional infographic. Here, we will go to ChatGPT to get the prompt. I asked ChatGPT, give me a text prompt to generate a professional infographic by using Nano Banan Pro, the topic of infographic about, and I typed the topic, which is 5 types to increase concentration during studying, and I mentioned the content will be used in generating this infographic. So ChatGPT give me this prompt, which I will use it to generate the infographic. This is the title, 5 tips to increase your connection during studying, style requirements, and infographic content to insert. If you wanted to make any editing, you can do it before we will copy this and paste into Gemini app. So let's take it, copy, and go to Gemini app. After that, I'll go to Gemini app and paste the prompt here. Don't forget to use the tool, which is create image, and ensure that you use thinking mode because Nano Banan Pro only works with thinking mode. After that, I will hit generate button, loading Nano Banan Pro, as you see, developing the structure. And here is the title and the 5 points we entered in the prompt, as you see. You can also share this infographic with others using the link or through social media platforms. You can also copy or download it as an image. Don't worry, I will include the prompt I used to create this infographic in the description below the video so you can simply modify it to fit your needs. And that's how you create an infographic in minutes using Nano Banan Pro for free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.